For decades, Quest Integrity Group has been a world leader in pioneering advanced technologies that deliver both inspection and engineering solutions, solving complex challenges faced with operating and maintaining critical plant assets. Refineries and chemical plants are large complexes made up of various specialized equipment, such as fired heaters, distillation towers, heat exchangers, and storage tanks staged throughout. Each piece of specialized equipment has a specific function necessary to produce the final products. Fired heaters contain serpentine coils, which are often challenging to inspect with conventional NDT methods. Quest Integrity Group's Furnace Tube Inspection System, or FTIS, is an ultrasonic, intelligent pigging technology that quickly and accurately inspects convection and radiant sections of fired heaters. Inspection practices of serpentine coils are often structured in accordance to the globally recognized API 573 recommended practice. FTIS, a lightweight, handheld inspection instrument, is inserted into the launcher following mechanical cleaning or decoking of the furnace coil interior. The instrument is pushed through the heater's serpentine coil with water or other liquid mediums and travels at speeds up to 2 feet per second. The FTIS instrument travels from the launcher into the temporary pipe that connects it to the convection coil section of the furnace. In some situations, the temporary launcher is installed at the top of the heater and no temporary piping is required. The instrument enters the convection section, which contains externally raised surfaces such as studs or fins. The flexible instrument design allows for easy navigation through unlimited 180-degree short-radius 1D return bends. FTIS continues to inspect the convection section and detects and quantifies an area of internal corrosion on the adjacent pipe surface of the external studs. The instrument continues to inspect the convection coils and enters a short section of piping commonly referred to as the crossover, which connects the convection to the radiant coil section. The change in pipe diameter does not impact its ability to continue inspecting the coil. The FTIS instrument enters the radiant section, which has a vertical orientation. Inspection data is also collected in the 180-degree return bends as the instrument navigates through them. The instrument encounters a section of coil which contains an incorrect schedule or thickness, which is often caused during routine repairs. Repair errors of this type can result in the coil rupturing during normal operation. The FTIS instrument encounters a section of localized external corrosion, illustrated in the inspection report in 2D and 3D formats utilizing Quest Integrity Group's proprietary LifeQuest heater software. The instrument travels into a section of pipe containing a bulge, commonly caused by creep strain damage. FTIS detects the bulge and quantifies the extent of the deformation. This will also be illustrated in the inspection report. The inspection of the convection and radiant sections of the furnace is complete. FTIS enters the receiver for retrieval by a field technician. Inspection results are generated and provided within hours after the inspection is complete. The inspection report content is purposely tailored to fit within the plant's API 573 fired heater inspection recommended practice. The inspection results are produced in both tabular format as well as colored 2D and 3D graphical images. In addition to providing high-quality inspection data, Quest Integrity can also conduct a full remaining life assessment evaluation per the globally recognized standard API 579. For additional information on FTIS or any other Quest services, please contact any of our offices or visit us online.